Dear students of GK 5A, students of 5A, in your subject GK, I am going to teach you the following points. Number one, name one popular instrument of Russia. Popular instrument of Russia. Name the place Hindus go to worship. Name the highest dam in India. Name the tree used making furniture and doors. Name the city Wankhede Stadium is situated. So these are the points. Number one, name one popular instrument of Russia. The popular instrument of Russia. Which one is the popular instrument of Russia? Name the place Hindus go to worship. Name the highest dam in India. Name the tree uses making furniture and doors. Name the city Wankhede Stadium is situated. Now what should be your answer? What are the answer of the questions? Now I am writing. Name one popular instrument of Russia, that is balalaika. Balalaika. Balalaika is the popular instrument of Russia. Balalaika. Balalaika. Balalaika is the popular instrument of musical instrument of Russia. Balalaika is the popular instrument of Russia, popular musical instrument of Russia, balalaika. And next one, name the place Hindus go to worship. That is very easy. Temple. Temple. And third one, which is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam. Name the highest dam in India. Tehri Dam. And name the tree uses making furniture and doors. Furniture and doors. Uses furniture and doors. That is teak. Teak. And next one, name the city Wankhede Stadium is situated. The stadium Wankhede, name the city Wankhede Stadium is situated. It is Mumbai. Mumbai. And other points I am going to teach you. Next one. Which one is the national tree of India? National tree of India, which is the national tree of India? That is banyan. Banyan is the national tree of India. Banyan tree, national tree of India. And then next one, which is the original style that Bruce Lee learned? Bruce Lee learned the original style of martial art. What is it? Bruce Lee learned the original style of martial art. What is it? That martial art, what is it? Bruce Lee learned the original martial art, that is Wing Chun. Wing Chun is the martial art Bruce Lee learned. Wing Chun. Then next one, Teheri Dam is located on which river? Teheri Dam is located on which river? On Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi river. Teheri Dam is located on Bhagirathi river. And then next one, another one. Another one, Emperor Akbar belonged to dash dynasty. Emperor Akbar belonged to dash dynasty. Which dynasty Emperor Akbar belonged? Mughal dynasty. Emperor Akbar belonged to Mughal dynasty. And next one, all of you must note down in your copies questions and answers. These inside questions I understood. This is inside question of paper 1. I may give you homework. You have to write it, answer perfectly. You have to write the answer perfectly. And next one, who dash invented polio vaccine? Invented polio vaccine. Dash invented polio vaccine. Who was he? Dr. Jonas Salk. Dr. Jonas Salk invented polio vaccine. And the next one, everyone should speak true or false. Everyone should speak the truth. No one should tell a lie. No one should tell a lie. Plastics are man-made things. So what is this? True or false? Everyone should speak the truth. That is true. No one should tell a lie. It is also true. Plastics are man-made things. It is also true. The next, an autobiography is a longer story than shorter stories by someone else. An autobiography is a longer story than shorter stories by someone else. It is true or false? It is. An autobiography is a longer story than shorter stories by someone else. What is it? It is also true. Because autobiography is the history of a person during his achievement, a shorter, not shorter but longer story of a person during his lifetime experience and his achievements, his drawbacks, all these things included in this story. This is known as autobiography. It is a longer story than shorter stories by someone else. It is written by the person who narrates the experiences he has gained in his whole life. This is known as autobiography. And apart from this, another one, Kanishka is a Kushan king. Kanishka is a Kushan king. It is right, true or false? It is also true. Because Kanishka belongs to Kushan dynasty. He was a Kushan king. And next one, the woolly mammoths are the prehistoric ancestors of elephants. The woolly mammoths are the prehistoric ancestors, not are, because now we are unable to see it. The woolly mammoths were the prehistoric ancestors of elephants. The woolly mammoths were the prehistoric ancestors of elephants. It is true or false? It is also true. The woolly mammoths were the prehistoric ancestors of elephants. Then, next part. What is rabab? What is rabab? What is rabab? Rabab is the oldest string instrument. One of the oldest string instrument. One of the oldest string instrument means musical instrument, rabab. And another one, what is, what is autobiography? It is longer not story. In my previous point, I discussed about story, but it is not story actually. Autobiography is not story actually. It is actually real life story. Story also. It is not. It is not story, but story of real life. Story of real life. So actually, you have what we have to write. We have to write. It is a story of real life of a person. Autobiography. Autobiography is the real life story of a person. Clear? This is autobiography. It is written by someone else. This is autobiography. And novel is the, what is novel? Basic difference between autobiography and novel. Novel is the longer stories than short stories written by someone else. Novel, longer stories than short stories written by someone else. That is true. It is also true. Longer stories than short stories written by someone else. That is novel. An autobiography is a real life story of a person written by someone else. That is autobiography. Basic difference between novel and autobiography. And then another one, what do you know about sabre-toothed tigers? Sabre-toothed tigers. Sabre-toothed tigers. These animals are not visible, but once upon a time during ancient age, during old age, sabre-toothed tigers were visible in the forests. Now, what kind of animal it is? Sabre-toothed tigers were fierce hunters. Sabre-toothed tigers are fierce hunters. Sabre-toothed tigers are fierce hunters. And next, what is rubella? What is rubella? Rubella is German missiles. Rubella, it is German missiles. Rubella, these are German missiles. These are German missiles. Rubella, what is rubella? These are German missiles. So up to this, my dear students, teaching of GK is completed, and from this lesson I shall give you homework. The lesson today I taught, it is not included in the book because all the questions are from inside, set properly. I saw, although it is given in the book as exercise, and from that exercise I taught it, and the lessons from where the answers are chosen and questions also are chosen are the part of our teaching. Already I have taught it and you know the answers. So you get yourself prepared for it. At any day I may give you this homework, you have to write. Thank you. And the number of copies you are submitting. I do expect you will make more and more homework and submit for correction. Thank you.